Hey there, my name is Younes, and in this video we are going to learn about variables. Especially in Kotlin, we will learn about val and vars and what is the difference between them. Okay, so let's get started using the previous project. We created a simple main function in which it runs this code. It brings just hello world. Okay, so now to declare a variable, in contrast to Java, in Java we used to do something like string, the type of the variable, and followed by its name and its value, for example. But in Kotlin, you have to add the var keyword before each variable. And then you type its name. Let's just name it name. And then you add 2 points, the type. Then you create equal hello world. Okay? That way you create a variable in Kotlin. You can print this one, println, like that, name, and run it. As you can see, it will print hello world. Great. Now, here you see that if you type enter, explicitly given type is redundant here. Why? Because Kotlin can infer its type. Okay, so basically you can delete that and you are good. If you run it again, nice. It works great. Why? Because Kotlin knows its type from this one. If you don't assign a variable, now you must add its type. You can create just something like that, like string, and then later on you can do name equal something hello world. Okay? Nice. There is another type to declaring variables called val, like that, called val. And the difference between val and var is that val is immutable. What does it mean immutable? Let's put something here. Let's put hello world and let's print it. Name, something like that. And afterward, let's say we have some other process. We want this name to change it to something else, to hola, mia, amigo. Okay, you can't do that in Kotlin. Why? Because this is an immutable variable. Once it is assigned, you can't change it. It is basically the same as final in Java. Okay, so in order to change it, well, you guess it, it's val. That's it for val and var. So what you should really understand about these two types, one is mutable and the other is immutable. And basically, whenever you can use immutable variables, just use immutable variables. All right? This is the same for string as for anything else. You can basically give it 15 and it will understand that name is an int. As you can see, it's an int. If you give it 0.0, it will understand that it is a double. If you put f here, it will understand that it is float. And by consequence, it will not allow that because this is a string. As you can see, the error here is type mismatch. The required type is float, but we found a string. This is somehow the power of Kotlin. All right, so you can create multiple variables here. Let's now create another one, val, hola. Let's create it hello, like that, and just put hola plus name, right? And we can print everything here like that. It will be hola 15.0. We will learn more about string concatenation in Kotlin to provide something elegant to that. That we will learn in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next videos.